Hello and welcome to the assembly video for the pedal wheel bin manufactured by Actionware India Pvt Ltd, which makes it perfect for outdoor use. In this video, we will be assembling the 120-liter bin. The bin includes a lid set which consists of one lid, two wheel caps and two plastic rods, and a body set which includes one body, one steel pedal, one support rod, one wheel rod, dome nut, two wheels, two visors, a bag holder and a steel pin. Starting with the wheels, take the steel pedal with the flat side facing up and place it at the bottom. Take the wheel rod and push out the quarter pin with the pliers. Insert the steel pedal into the rod. Then add the wheel with the inner side featuring the nylon bush which enhances the wheel's durability. Next, place one visor and secure it with the help of quarter pin. Fix the wheel caps at the end for a better look. Repeat the process for the other wheels, starting with the wheel, visor, and secure the rod with the quarter pin. Next, moving to the support rod, insert the dome nut into the steel pedal rod. Place the lid on top and align the other end of the support rod using the steel pin. Secure it with the quarter pin. Finally, insert the two plastic rods from both ends to secure the lid in its place. The rotating nut on the support rod at the bottom can be adjusted to open the lid to the desired angle. Please note that the parts supplied with the bins are specifically designed for that particular bin size. Two clamps are provided to hold the bin bag at its place. Our brand new Actionware pedal wheel bin is now ready to help keep our surroundings clean. It is available in 3 different sizes: 120 liters, 90 liters and 70 liters. The benefits of Actionware pedal wheel bin includes pedal operation for maintaining hygiene and the use of virgin plastic for increased durability. Thank you for watching this video.